Did you buy the open source photography course? Or maybe my follow-up course, Editing Portraits with Foss? This video is to let you know that the streaming website's going to come to an end in June. But don't worry, you can still download the videos. Stay tuned for more details. I was hoping to get this video out sooner, so everybody had more time to download the videos if they wanted to. But I've been in the middle of a website redesign, and I was hoping to get that done first. Unfortunately, I didn't, so here I am. Anyway, if you did buy either one of these courses or both of them, when you log into the website, just click on a video that you want to keep, and you'll see a little download button in the bottom left there. My videos were always DRM free, so you're always able to do this, but in case you didn't know and you do want to keep the videos, you can download them that way. You have until June 2nd to do so. And if you don't get them all, something I plan to do in the future is to kind of go through all these tutorials and see what's still relevant, and I'll upload them for free to YouTube anyway, so you probably won't miss out if there is something you want to keep. Just kind of looking back, like I couldn't believe how much time had passed. Like I was trying to remember when I actually released these courses, and it was all the way back in 2015. It was something that I worked really hard on, a project that I was really proud of, and I love the response that I got. Like the community was awesome. So many people got in touch with me and let me know that it helped them learn a lot. That some people even said they were able to switch from Windows to Linux, which was awesome. But of course, it's been almost 10 years and the software has changed a lot, particularly Darktable. Like when I open it up, all my favorite modules are gone and it's really different. So obviously less and less people were signing up for the streaming services, and it's just come time to put it to an end. So yeah, like I said, download the videos if you want. Stay tuned. It'll be a little while. I'm going to finish my website redesign first. I have like 15 years worth of photos to go through, which has been taking me longer. But eventually, I do want to come back to my YouTube channel here a bit. And maybe that'll just be me uploading these old tutorials for free. Or it might be me now spending my weekends working with my new mirrorless camera. I bought my first one just the other day. And so my weekends, which are often spent learning to code, now might go back to my hobby photography instead of my career photography. And I want to do that in Linux. So it could be me learning Darktable again, because it does feel that different. I might actually even switch over to Raw Therapy. I just had a look at their website and saw that they added some local adjustments, which is a feature I was always waiting for, which they didn't have. Anyway, yeah, so I want to start editing some photos in Linux again. Maybe I'll upload a few videos. But either way, there will be some of these old tutorials being uploaded in the future. And just to close, I just want to say thanks. Like to anyone, if you ever bought my course, that's awesome. I loved hearing from everybody, like I said, and it was really cool to just kind of be a part of that community back then when it really felt like the early days. Like if I go to YouTube now and I search for a Darktable tutorial, there's so much more out there than back when I put out my course. So yeah, I hope you learned a lot, and stay tuned and I might have some more videos.